Andy Costello, your professional realtor, as well as a board member of Impactful People, along with Tammy.
Hi.
And she is the owner of Simply Thyme Catering, as well as an Impactful People board member. And so, Tammy, tell everybody what Simply Thyme Catering is.
We are a catering company that everything we do is off-premise, so we have no space here for people to come in and dine or anything. So we go to business, corporate, social events, and wherever else you want us to go. We also cater to the private jets that fly out of PDX too.
Great. So how did your business start? How did you come up with the idea?
Well, I worked for another caterer about, well, I guess it's been 14, 15 years ago now, and I was commuting 90 miles, and I didn't want to do that anymore, and so I decided that I wanted to open my own.
Wow. So what's one of the biggest challenges you faced in owning your and running your own business?
That you have all this free time? Not. That when the dishwasher doesn't come in, guess what? You're a dishwasher.
Yes, you're the chief shoe shiner and dishwasher.
Yes.
Yes.
And driver and whatever else.
Yes, that makes sense. So you've obviously been in the community for a long time, and you've demonstrated your success. What do you attribute that success to?
Being into the community, getting out there in front of people, showing what good quality food we do, and that they want to see it. They want us to cater events and different things like that.
That makes sense. What's one thing you'd want the community to know about your business?
That I am a green business. I am woman-owned, and I don't talk about my accolades as much as maybe other people do. So I'm a down-to-earth person, but I do have some really great awards and everything. Like I won the Green Business Award a couple years ago from Clark County Green Business.
And you were just featured in the Columbian.
That's right.
Yes.
I was just featured in the Columbian. Man, what an amazing piece that was.
Yes, that was great. So tell everybody like where you're located, how they can get a hold of you, or if they want to place an order, how to get in touch.
Easy if you go onto our website, which is Simply Thyme Catering, and thyme is spelled like the herb thyme. .com. I lost that one for a minute.
Okay. So simplythymecatering.com.
Yep.
Yes. And is there a good phone number for folks to reach out?
360-891-0584.
Thank you so much, Tammy. Appreciate
Thank you,
your time.
Andy. I appreciate it.
And thank you for watching.